There's been a lot of talk recently about CBD in skincare. CBD is derived from cannabis. It interacts with your body to keep it in balance. In skincare, this means your skin will function in a rejuvenated, healthier, and more efficient way. The result is fresher and younger looking skin. All MGC Derma formulas contain CBD using Aquiol. Botanical Blend 8-Hour Relief is an advanced therapy treatment to restore problematic skin. Conditions like eczema, dermatitis, cracked heels, dry elbows, cuts, scrapes, and minor burns will find relief from this remedy that lasts for 8 hours. Aquiol, niacinamide, and shea butter with just the right amount of CBD will reduce inflammation and calm sensitive skin. I could talk about these products all day, or you can go to mgcderma.com to find out more.